Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is EMB page 60, word problem 11, 12. These two word problems I will solve in this class. Okay, dear students, and then question 8 is given for your homework. Okay, dear students, I have taken the last class of multiplication. In that class, I have shown you how to multiply a number by two-digit numbers. Dear students, you have submitted homework on this topic. Some of you have done mistake there. I think you did not understand that how to multiply a number by two-digit number. Before starting today's topic, at first I will show again how to multiply a number by a two-digit number. Okay, dear students, now see, suppose 121 is a number. 121 is a number. I want to multiply this number by 31. 31 is a two-digit number. I will show this simple multiplication only so that you can understand how can you multiply when you have to multiply a number by a two-digit number. Okay, dear students, see now, to multiply a number by a two-digit number, you have to remember that at first you have to multiply by ones place. Here ones place is 1. So, at first you have to multiply 121 by 1. So, if you multiply this one by 1, you will get 1 ones are 1. Then you have to multiply this 2 by 1. 1 2s are 2. Then you have to multiply this one by 1. 1 ones are 1. Okay, dear students, I have multiplied this number by ones place. So, ones place is done. As ones place is done, you have to remember that you have to write a 0 below ones place. You have to write a 0 below ones place. Now, we have to multiply this number 121 by 3 means tens place. We have to multiply by tens place. So, multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 ones are 3. Okay, dear students, now see, we have to add these two now. 1 and 0, if we add, this will be 1. If we add 3 and 2, that will be 5. Add 6 and 1, that will be 7. And here is 3 remaining. So, we have to write. So, our required answer for this question is 3751. This is our required product. This is our required product. Dear students, remember that here when you will complete multiplication by ones place, then you have to give a 0 in ones place. Don't use cross sign. I have seen that some of you have used cross sign. Don't use cross sign. Use 0 in ones place. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood. Where you are making mistake, don't do this mistake again. Okay, dear students, now I will start our today's topic. Okay, dear students, question 11. At first I will solve. Nipu has 14 times of what Rimi has. If Rimi has taka 225, then how many taka does Nipu have? Dear students, the money of Rimi is given, that is taka 225, and a condition is given. Nipu has 14 times of what Rimi has. This condition means that if we multiply the money of Rimi by 14, we will get the money of Nipu. So we can solve this now. Solution. We can write given Rimi has taka 225 as Nipu has 14 times of what Rimi has. So Nipu has it means that we have to multiply taka 225 by 14. So we can write here taka 225 multiply by 14. We will get our required answer from this multiplication. Okay, dear students, I will show the multiplication here. You must do this rough. Right here 225 multiply by 14. This is also a multiplication by 2-digit number that I have shown. 4 5s are, at first you have to multiply by 1's place. 1's place is 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 left. 2 4s are 8 and 2 10. So 0. 1 left. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. Okay, dear students, as I have done 1's place, so I have to write a 0 in 1's place. Then we have to multiply the first number by 1. 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now we have to add 0 and 0. If we add, we will get 0. 5 and 0, we will get 5. 9 and 2 is 11. So 1 left. 2 and remaining 1 is 3. That is 3150. So we can say the product of this multiplication is 3150. Okay, dear students. So we can say our required answer for this question should be 3150 taka. We can write therefore Nipu has taka 3150. So our required answer for this question is taka 3150. Dear students, I hope you have understood our first question. Okay, now I will go to second question, that is question 12. Word problem 12. The question is, a piece of hilsa fish is taka 350. What is the price of 20 such hilsa fishes? Okay, dear students, here the price of one fish is given. We have to find the price of 20 such hilsa fish. When the price of one item will be given and we have to find the price of more items, that time we have to multiply the price of one item by the number of items. It means that if we multiply taka 350 by 20, we will get our required answer. Okay, dear students, now we can start our solution. Given the price of one hilsa fish. A piece of hilsa fish means one hilsa fish is taka 350. We need to find the price of 20 such Hilsha fish. So we can write therefore the price of 20 such, or we can write direct 20 Hilsha fish. Hilsha fishes. So we have to multiply taka 350 by 20. Dear students, we can do the multiplication here. I will show the rough. You must show the rough. 350 we have to multiply by 20. Okay, dear students, at first we have to multiply 350 by 0, as we have to multiply by ones place at first. 0 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. It means that when we will multiply any number by 0, the product will be 0. Now once multiplication by one digit, ones place is done, we have to multiply by tens place now. Before that we have to write a 0, as multiplication of ones place is done. For this, in ones place we have to give a 0. Now we have to multiply by tens place. So 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, so 0, 1 is left. Now 3 twos are 6 and 1, that is 7. Now if we add, we will get here 0, 0, 0 and 7. So dear students, the product of 350 and 20 is 7,000. So we can write here 7,000. Our question is, what is the price of 20 such Hilsha fishes? Therefore, the price of 20 such Hilsha fishes is taka 7,000. Dear students, this is our required answer for question 12. Taka 7,000. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. From EMB page 60, word problem 8 is given for your homework. The question is, Tandra Chakma drives at the rate of 45 km per hour. How many kilometer will she go in 8 hours at the rate of same speed? It means that in 1 hour, per hour means in 1 hour, Tandra Chakma can drive 45 km. It means she can go 45 kilometers. We need to find in 8 hours how much distance will she go. Okay, dear students, so if you multiply 45 by 8, you will get the required distance. Do this multiplication as your homework. It means you have to solve this question as your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.